Hi, I'm Mel at Little Giant Ladders, and we truly believe that the leveler ladder is one of the safest ladders on the planet. You'll notice how I have it set up where one side of the ladder is elevated but the other side is not, and so you have this tipping action that makes the ladder very unsafe. But with the leveler ladder, we now have the ability to drop one side down to make sure that it's perfectly flat, and as we climb up we don't have to worry about it slipping off of a board or a brick. Now when you're done, it's as simple as bringing that back up and the leg retracts back into itself. There's only two things that make the entire ladder system work. The first is the hinge. That controls your shape, and it's very easy to adjust because we put our hands and our palms fit on these palm buttons, and we wrap our fingers around and we release those, and as we do that, those will pop back into place. So this is a storage position. If I wanted to work in the step ladder, I push those in again. You'll watch that pop back into place. Now there's only one other thing. It's these rapid locks on the side. We just twist them and just tip to the side. As we do that, the ladder slides back down with just gravity. Grab that palm button, tip it back this direction, and let that rock right in place. You can have a person on each side. Remember, it's a true two-person ladder, 300 pounds on each side at the same time. They have the ability to also adjust for unlevel ground. I now can work safely on a staircase. With a normal step ladder, I can't get close to a wall, but I can drop this down to a 90-degree angle. It lets me fit in those tight, hard to reach spots. One of the other alternatives to putting the ladder up is an extension ladder. Push these palm buttons in and then let it slide straight down to the ground. And just flip it straight over. Take it to the length that I want to be at. And then I just lock those back in. Picking it up and walking it straight hand over hand until you get it to the position that you need. Now remember, it's a 4-to-1 ratio, so every 4 feet you go up, you need to be 1 foot back. The wheels always need to be at the top. Occasionally, I'm going to be on ground that's not level like this, so I can take that down to the height that we need to bring the ladder into a safe position. When you get ready to bring this back down, same way, you put it up, hand over hand, just bring it back down, bring these rungs back to the original position, flip it over, and then you just push these in, and you're right back to where you started. Now of course, remember, you don't have to carry the ladder. You tip it on its side and let those wheels roll the ladder from place to place. We do make it in a model 22 and then a model 26. Now don't forget, it does come in a model 13, but just remember that one doesn't come with the leg levelers or the wheels, but it's still a 300-pound rated ladder and does all the same features that all the other models do.